Good evening, MCA learning community. We would like to take this opportunity to provide another health update for our school district and our planning process moving forward. Let's start with our health update. Over the last 7 days, both myself and our administration team has been in direct and constant contact with the Pennsylvania Department of Health and the Pennsylvania Department of Education throughout this process. I would like to thank both for their guidance, support, and communication over the last few weeks. Also, our local intermediate unit, CSIU, has been a valuable resource to our district during this time and has provided us with valuable information throughout. And again, I'd like to thank each organization. Where we currently stand, as we are all aware that we had our 5th COVID positive case that was identified last Thursday, September 3rd. All 5 of these cases were within our junior-senior high school building. On this date, we were conducting a hybrid day for students with last names M through Z in our junior-senior high building. And no extracurricular activities were held on this date. We immediately contacted both PDE and the PA Department of Health after our 5th positive case, and we followed their attached guidance to move to virtual school for 14 days under Moderate County, which Northumberland County is. I shared a link with everyone on this slide if you would like to review their entire report for recommendations for school districts to follow after a positive case. At this time, we have not been notified of any additional COVID-19 cases for our students at Mount Carmel area, and that includes students and staff, again, since our 5th case. Let's now discuss a return to school plan. Again, we have been in direct contact with PDE and the Department of Health concerning our planning. As we all have learned at Mount Carmel area that things can change quickly, but our hope is to return to the following schedule. My hope and prayer is that we do not have to revert to virtual learning again, as it is my belief that in-person, face-to-face instruction with Mount Carmel area teachers is by far our best educational option. Unfortunately, we all must at least prepare for a return to virtual learning, and specifically how this will relate to all of us with childcare. Again, our hope is that we do not need to revert to virtual school again. Under this current plan, we would like to return to school on Thursday, September 17th, with last names A through L in person, and on Friday, September 18th, with last names M through Z in person. Under our hybrid planning, all IEP and GIP students are encouraged to attend regardless of last name, and all students in pre-K, kindergarten, 1st and 2nd grade are in session. Reminder, all students and families have the option for full remote virtual learning. Please contact your main office if you have any questions. Attached is our hybrid schedule that we reviewed last week and will plan on instituting on Monday, September 21st and moving forward. We will continue to assess our local situation related to COVID cases and will communicate with our community when we feel we can safely return to full in-person instruction for all grades. At this time, we would also like to talk about our extracurricular return. Our plan is to reopen on Thursday, September 17th for extracurriculars. Our last practices and after-school activities were held on Wednesday, September 2nd. A few reminders, all parents are expected to conduct screening each morning as per CDC guidelines. The CDC screening tool is found on our main website within our athletic and health safety plan. In addition to daily morning screenings, Mount Carmel area athletic staff, in conjunction with STAR Physical Therapy, will also conduct afternoon screenings as well. These screenings will be held outside the junior-senior high gymnasium daily from 2:05 to 2:30. Again, we will continually be assessing our current situation as it relates to extracurricular activities, and our hope is to continue as much normalcy to our students' lives as possible. Tonight, our school board will be approving revisions to our health and safety plan that is noted here related to additional after-school activity screenings that I just reviewed on the previous slide. I would also like to take this opportunity to personally thank 2 local organizations that have stepped up and helped aid our school district during the COVID closure. Both Central Susquehanna Opportunities and the Greater Susquehanna Valley United Way has been a tremendous resource to our community and district. Both have helped our families with childcare related issues and advice, as well as Wi-Fi and internet options. The United Way has also donated humanity shields to our staff and have also helped with other technology donations. We would again like to thank both organizations, in particular Joanne Troutman, a former Mount Carmel area graduate and current president of the Greater Susquehanna Valley United Way, for all they have done for us. We would like to remind our families to continue to reach out to our school district, the CSO, or the Greater Susquehanna Valley United Way with questions. Reminder to our families that during the closure, we have multiple opportunities related to food service as well. Our Tornado Buddy Bag program continues thanks to over $15,000 worth of local donations to allow food to go home every weekend to our families in need. A reminder that the Mount Carmel Town Pantry, which is located at 26 North Market Street, is also an option for our families. The hours are located here for your convenience. Another reminder that virtual day breakfast and lunch pickup is available during the noted times that you see on your screen. These times and dates are also available to all virtual students throughout the school year. Again, the junior, senior high students, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 12:30 to 1 can pick up their lunches. And the elementary students can pick them up at the cafeteria entrance every Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 1:15 to 1:45. Finally, a reminder to our families and students. This may be the most important part of the presentation that we are about to review, and hopefully everyone understands. If any student is exhibiting symptoms or is sick, we are asking you to please stay home. A reminder that parents should be completing daily screenings before sending your child to school every day. Please continue to wear face coverings when in public, practice safe social distancing, frequent hand washing, and continue to be mindful of our social gatherings. We obviously all want to be in school, have extracurricular activities for our children, all while all of us doing our part to eliminate COVID-19 altogether.